into my head, into my brain, into my life feel above. This is just my way of unleashing the feelings deep inside of me, the spark of black that has in your love. We can get a little crazy just for fun, just for fun. Don't even try to hold it back, just let go. Tie me up and take me over till you're done, till I'm done. You got me feeling that I'm ready to blow. I'm dressed to taste the flesh. Pass the test to taste the flesh. Hold me up against the wall. Give me time, yeah, give me some more. Make me bleed and make it raw, make it raw. Push up to my heart, sink your teeth into my flesh. Hold my arms above my head and push my face into the void, 'cause I'm a screamer, baby, make me immune. You put your hand upon my neck and feel the pulse beat, 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 beat. It's like a trigger, get me ready to shoot. Wanna wrestle with me, baby? Here's a sneak little peek. You can dominate the game, 'cause I'm tough. I don't play around that often. When I do, I'm a freak, so you better believe I like it rough. Sink your teeth into my flesh. I'm dressed to taste the flesh. To me, how to sink your teeth into my flesh. The test to taste the flesh. Hold me up against the wall. Give me time, I sweat my rust. I'm breathing in the chemicals. I'm breaking in, shaping up, then checking out on the prison bus. This is in the apocalypse. Whoa, I'm waking up. I feel it in my bones. Enough to make my system blow. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. I'm radioactive, radioactive. I'm radioactive, radioactive. Raise my flag, down my clothes. It's a revolution, I suppose. We're painted red to fit right in. Whoa. I'm breaking in, shaping up, then checking out on the prison bus. This is in the apocalypse. Whoa, I'm waking up. I feel it in my bones. Enough to make my system blow. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. I'm radioactive, radioactive. I'm radioactive, radioactive. All systems go. The sun hasn't died. Deep in my bones, straight from inside.